What's up fellow Greymanes, here's how to get the Grace Plate Helm and Crimson Desert. If you're just starting a new game, this one's a good find. It's not really an OP item in the game, but since of course you'll be starting with almost 0 coin and with no head protection, this one will come in handy until you get a new helm. To get this one, it's found under the sewers of the town of Hernand, which you first encounter during Chapter 1's True Wisdom and Kindness quest. The one where you give a beggar some coin after doing the arm wrestling minigame. Even after you've done this quest, you can still return to the sewers via this point of the map, where the beggar was lying on top of a trapdoor. Open that trapdoor and go down the ladder. Walk down the sewers and turn left before you reach the platform area. Run until you reach the end of the path, and you'll find a chest there. Open it up and you'll get the Grace Plate Helm. Like I said, not really a flashy helmet, but handy for your early game adventures. You can still refine it though to improve its stats. If this video helped, leave a like or comment and subscribe for more Crimson Desert tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.